Okay, we're talking workflows, guys. When we first started weddings, we had files everywhere. There was no structure, no plan. It was just chaos. Edits took way longer than they should have. In the creative process, it was totally bogged down. Everything changed once we built a solid workflow. And guys, that's what I'm here to talk to you about, is our workflow. Let's dive into that right now. So the first thing we did was we created a master Premiere Pro template that has all our bins ready to go for our wedding. So we don't have to create this every single wedding. We have sequence, footage, music, audio recorder, sound effects, and miscellaneous. And within the footage bin here, we have all our folders pre-created that has, you know, like all the events of the day. And then so what we'll do is we'll take all our raw footage and we'll sort it. Some bins have one, you know, camera, and then others have up to 5. So you see here with ceremony, we have 5 different cameras. Next, we go through each sequence and pull the best moments onto a second layer. How we do that is we take a bin and we drop it in to create a new sequence. So this is all our scenic shots. So what I'll do is I'll quickly scrub through it using keyboard shortcuts, JKL, you know, say like this is a shot I like. So I'll throw a blade tool in there and I'll put another blade here and then I'll bring that up. So I'll slowly go through all of the footage here and I'll just quickly blade this and I'll, you know, go through here and then this is a shot I like. And then so I'll do that for all the folders here. And you know, this will take me an hour to up to 2 hours to go through all the footage. Once we have those, we'll ripple delete the rest. And now we have a timeline that only has the strongest clips. Then it's time to sync up audio from our toasts, ceremony, first look, etc. We use the multicam syncing feature in Premiere, but you can manually sync it as well. It takes a lot more time doing that. After syncing, we use Premiere Pro's transcription tool. For instance, here I'll match frame to this clip and then go down to reveal in project. And then if I right click this file, I can go down to transcribe. And then, you know, we can separate, do English, and then we could separate the speakers if there's multiple speakers, and then we'll just hit transcribe. Okay, so once that's done, you know, you have all of the speeches transcribed, which is really, really nice. And then you can kind of scrub through here and then see all the best moments from the speech without having to listen to it all. You can kind of search for things, you know, type in love, you type in, you know, whatever you want to type in, and they can find it very quickly for you. So that's really, really helpful. To save even more time, we block out 1 hour a month to search for music. We look for emotional, uplifting, and upbeat tracks. Then we built a playlist ahead of time. That way, when we sit down in the edit room, we have everything ready to go in terms of music. From there, we start building the story. Once you have your audio selects done, you have your video selects done, you can just begin pulling the best moments from the day. We begin with the audio. Vows, letters, speeches, and shape the emotional arc of the story. We layer in B-roll to visually support what's being said. Finally, we let the music guide the pacing. Each cut flows with the rhythm of the song, letting the story breathe and build naturally. Throughout the whole edit, we're looking for the most heartfelt, emotional moments. This is what drives the story forward and gives the film its soul.
By the power vested in me, I pronounce you husband and wife.
If this was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you want our Premiere Pro template. I'll be happy to share it with you guys. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one.